Hey guys, this is Baeza here with EFunding Experts. As you may know, most of our clients are coming from affiliates and partners just like you. If you have not signed up to be a partner and refer us clients for funding, or if you would like to learn how to start a funding business, make sure you go to our website at www.efundingexperts.com and we can show you how you can get that done. Today, I'm going to talk to you guys about the end and how you can close it with a soft approach. See, at the end of the day, sometimes we believe that we have to trick someone into taking a deal, right? Like the car salesman. Many of us has this connotation that when you go to a car dealership, they're going to try and sell you. They're going to try and sneak in some fees that you don't want, that you don't want, or that you don't know about. And of course, to many of us, it's happened so many times where it's just become common. And you want to make yourself different than that. Even in the fundraising space, angel investors, sometimes they're not angels, sometimes they're devils. And that's unfortunate, but it's one of those situations where when you're raising capital, it can be easy for someone to be taken advantage of. And I'm just going to put it out there because there are some not so good people out there that would take advantage of someone looking for funding. It's somebody's goal, somebody's dream, somebody's way of life. And so when you approach someone with heart and when you approach someone with good intentions, you don't want to sound like you're trying to hard sell them into taking something that's not beneficial for them. One of the biggest things that we do is I was taught from my mentor to be open to the idea that maybe this is not good for them, right? Be open to the idea that maybe your product's not a good fit for that person. But we're always going to look for the way so that maybe perhaps our product can fit into the client's needs, whether they're looking to start a business, maybe they're looking to expand their business. We'll go over the numbers, and if it works, great. If it doesn't work, we want to point out the pros and the cons so that that person can feel comfortable in doing business with you. That person can feel comfortable in being able to accept the funding. At the end of the day, you guys, especially in today's day and age where everything's online, you want to take care of your reputation. Your reputation is the most important thing in the internet right now. Everybody can find anything online, especially nowadays with ChatGPT and some of these other AI resources. You want to be able to be known as a person that has, or a company or a corporation that has transparency, that has a good intent, and that can help someone to solve their problems. Because that's really how we're making money. We're making money by solving other people's problems, right? Any type of business, solving a problem. If you have a software company, you solve a problem. If you have a restaurant, you're solving a problem. If you're funding money, you're solving a problem. So you want to be able to be that problem solver, but do it in a way where it's ethical, where it's transparent, where it's a soft approach, very caring. And you want to end with a soft call to action. A soft call to action is giving people the advantage of saying no. Being able to give them those options to move forward with the offer, but give them that idea that maybe perhaps it can work, maybe perhaps it's not a good fit, but ultimately, if they move forward with what you're offering, how it's going to benefit them and how it's going to help them. If you do your job right, you're going to find a way to make it work. And there's always a way to figure out how we can make a deal work, whether we have to lower the interest rates, whether we have to renegotiate some of the terms with the lenders. Everybody's here to make money and be able to help others at the same time. And it is possible to do both. It is possible to make money and also help someone do it the right way. So again, hopefully this helps you guys. If you are looking to start a business in funding, make sure that you go to our website at www.efundingexperts.com. I'm so much looking forward to doing more videos and helping you guys out. Hopefully this helps. Again, this is Jose Baeza.